Hi! In front of me is Blackview BV6600E, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to find calendar and click on it. Now tap on the month above to pick a date. And when you're ready, create event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choosing event over here. Now you can adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title, pick starting or ending hour. You can also turn off this feature by choosing this switcher. Tap on does not repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat. Then take notes, set up notifications, minutes, hours, or weeks before. Click on add location over here, choose while using the app or only this time, type in an address, and click on the correct one. When you're ready, choose people from your contact book over here and tap on save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off, if you wish to edit it, you need to click on it, tap on this pen icon at the top right corner and simply make your changes. Remember to choose save again. If you wish to delete it though, you can always do that by clicking on it, choosing those three dots at the top right corner, choosing delete and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!